ये दोनों ही बेहतर कर पाएंगे बिकॉज वी रियली विशिंग like a lot of wishes from our side to Mohenjo-daro's team. They have done an awesome job themselves, and I think they are going to do really well. So I think both films should really do very very well at the box office.
Like it happened with Ghazar and Lagan 15 years ago.
Yes, I'm sure that the history should repeat again.
I have very high expectations from the film because I've seen the promos. It's looking excellent. I think I actually think it's going to be better than the last few Akshay Kumar films. I think this is going to be a class above, and I'm looking forward to it. No, but I'm absolutely in love with the Shivai trailer. I think it's looking amazing. But tonight we're talking about Rustam, so let's give that film its due. I'm very excited about it. Thank you.
Independence Day.
नहीं, thank you.
मैं एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ. आप कैसे हैं?
And Avantika, what about you?
I'm great. How are you?
And what about your little one?
She's good.
She's good. अब 2 साल की हो गई है. She's growing well, growing fast.
Expectations from tonight?
I'm really excited about the film. Yeah, the trailers have been fascinating. I'm really curious to see what they've done with the film. Obviously, it is inspired by true life events, and when you're talking about a case like this, everyone will have certain expectations of how it will be treated, how the. I'm trying to choose my words carefully here so as not to offend anyone. Basically, I'm excited about the film.
Avantika, जो men होते हैं in uniform are always exciting, ना?
Oh, definitely. Extremely attractive.
Any role you want, like, would like you?
You know, I've never understood this concept of films competing at the box office here. To a certain extent, perhaps on the first day, one film might perform a little bit better. Ultimately, it comes down to the film. If people like both films will be huge. People like one film more, that film will do better. It really always comes down to the film, yeah. The only real difference this Clash thing makes is Friday morning.
ये रियल इंसिडेंसेस से आधारित है, मगर मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि फिक्शन भी है काफ़ी सारी, क्योंकि अगर आप ये कहें कि बिल्कुल रूबरू हमने उठा के किसी चीज़ को वैसे ही बना दी, वैसा नहीं है. उस वक्त के कुछ इस तरह के इंसिडेंसेस थे, उनको सबको मिलाकर ये फिल्म है. वेल, इंडिपेंडेंस विशेष तो सारी पूरे देश को ही है कि सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
जहाँ तक मुझे दिखा है प्रोमो में, आई थिंक इट्स अ थ्रिलर. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लव एंड मर्डर परहैप्स एंड कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा. तो मुझे वो सब चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग द फिल्म.
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेलर था, क्योंकि जहाँ तक जो अभी तक समझ में आया है कि वो ग्रे कैरेक्टर है उनका. So whether he is the hero or he is the villain, we don't know that. So and it's also a very interesting premise. तो and it's also कहीं ना कहीं reality से ये कहानी है. तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है फिल्म को लेकर.
And I think it's a fantastic film. Very excited about it. और आज अक्षय के लिए और हमारे जो दोस्त हैं जी में और क्रियाश प्रोडक्शंस, प्रेरणा और अर्जुन के लिए आज मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ और अक्षय को ऑल द बेस्ट विश करना चाहता हूँ. आई थिंक ऑन हॉलीडेज देयर इज स्पेस फॉर 2 फिल्म्स, तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. शायद अगर आप गौर से देखोगे, आई थिंक देयर इज स्पेस फॉर 2 फिल्म्स. 25-28 करोड़ का बिजनेस आप कर सकते हो दोनों फिल्म्स में. सो आई थिंक देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली इनफ स्पेस. नहीं, इट डिपेंड्स नो. जो आई डोंट गो विद द ट्रेंड, वही मेरा प्रॉब्लम है. सो आई एम प्रोबेबली द रॉन्गेस्ट पर्सन टू आस्क. तो मैं वही बनाऊंगा जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. सो if it's exciting, I'll do it. If it's not, I won't.
I've always said this. I think some of Akshay sir's best work has been patriotic, and I think he exudes confidence, and he just carries so much respect with him, and just the way he is, I think very proud to be an Indian. And
Sure. Even I don't know how many bites to you for Independence Day. अलग-अलग outfits में हो गए आपके लिए, और नहीं तो क्या. Okay, so I'd like to wish everybody a very, very happy Independence Day and love to you all. Thank you. I got ready in a rush and I ran over here. Thank you so much.
Yeah.